So today's song is a really popular classic one, Fur Elise by Beethoven. So we're going to start off by getting both hands in the right place. Your right hand is up a bit higher than usual, so this is a high E here, and you'll have A, B, C, D, E on your right hand. And your left hand is going to use the middle C down here on your little finger. Okay, so your left hand only actually plays 3 notes. It plays C, E, and then G sharp up here. Okay, we're going to start with the right hand. So the right hand is little finger, E to D sharp to start with. And then we're going to go B, D, and then C, A. Okay, so if you're using the finger numbers, it's 2, 4, 3, 1. So the first bit again goes. And hopefully that already sounds recognisable. So I'll play it one more time, starting on the E. And then the left hand's going to join in, and it just plays C, E. And then your right hand comes back, going thumb on A. So if I play that one more time, it's C, E, A, B. Okay, and then we're going to go back down to the left hand again, and this time you're starting on the E and going E to G sharp. And where you've stopped your right hand on the B, you're going to use that B again. So I do that one more time, it's... So those 2 bits that use the left hand and right hand together starts from down here on the middle C, so it's... And then... Okay, so all the way from the beginning so far we've got... And that's the first half. The second half does virtually the same thing all over again. So here's the second half. And then the last bit is slightly different. You do the E, but you go up to your C on your right hand and go. So it finishes on the A. So that last bit one more time. It from the left hand goes C, E, and the different bit. Okay, and that's it. So I'll just play the whole thing through so you can see it. So I hope you enjoyed that one. If so, can you please hit the like button, and I'll be back with another song again tomorrow. Have fun!